Good morning, students. Welcome back to YouTube channel schoolquiz.com. As you know, my name is Danish Agarwal. As we have started our chapter number 2, that is matter around us pure. Is matter around us pure? We have covered a lot of topics of chapter 2, that is matter around us pure. Today we will discuss a very important topic, that is alloys. That is alloys. Sometimes a question comes like one number, that is bronze is a alloy of which metals. Bronze is a alloy of which metals, like brass is a alloy of which metals. So it is a very important topic, that is alloys. So let's start. First of all, we will write our chapter's name, that is chapter number 2, is matter around us pure. Chapter number 2 is matter around us pure. Is matter around us pure. So today we will discuss our topic, that is alloys. That is alloys, or we can write it as metal alloys. Metal alloys. So what are alloys? Alloys are homogeneous. Alloys are homogeneous mixtures. Alloys are homogeneous mixtures of two or more metals. Of two or more metals. What are alloys? Alloys are homogeneous mixture of two or more metals. These cannot be separated by cannot be separated these cannot be separated by, or we can write it as into their. These can be separated into their these cannot be separated by into their constituent into their constituent components by physical methods. We can't separate it with the help of physical methods like evaporation, distillation, filtration, etc., which will we discuss in our next videos, like separating techniques. So we will discuss all the physical techniques, and we can't separate them with the help of the physical methods like evaporation, filtration, distillation, etc. So further we can write it as, however these are considered as a mixture. However these are these are considered as mixtures. However, these are considered as mixtures because they show properties of its constituents of its constituents and have variable composition They show properties of its constituents and they show variable composition. We will take its three major examples. First one is very important, that is brass is a mixture of brass is a mixture of approximately 70% of copper, that is Cu, and 30% zinc, that is Zn. You have to remember that is brass is a mixture. Brass is an alloy of what? Copper and zinc. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Second one is bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. Bronze, it is also very important, that is bronze is a mixture of copper and tin. Copper that is Cu, and tin, whose symbol is Sn. Symbol tin is Sn, and it is commonly used, and it is commonly used for making utensils, statues, etc. For making utensils, statues, etc. Now we will discuss one more important alloy, that is stainless steel. So this is our last example of alloy we will consider, that is stainless steel, because we use very much stainless steel in our daily life. So we should know what is stainless steel. Stainless steel which we use, stainless steel which we use for utensils is a mixture of iron, chromium and nickel. Iron, that is Fe, chromium, iron, chromium and nickel, that is Ni. So this is all about our today's topic, that is alloys. What are alloys? Alloys are the mixture. Alloys are the homogeneous mixture, because, and why they regard it as a mixture? Because they show the properties of its constituents and have variable composition. We will discuss three major examples of alloys. First one is brass, which is a mixture of approximately, brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. You have to remember that brass is a alloy of copper and zinc. Bronze is a mixture of copper and tin, and stainless steel which we use is a mixture of iron, chromium and nickel. Iron, chromium and nickel, and we can't separate them with the help of physical methods, that is like filtration, distillation, etc. So this is all about our today's topic, that is alloys, which is a very important topic. Like sometimes its examples come that tell us bronze is an example of, bronze is an alloy of which metals. So you have to remember the examples also. So this is all about today's topic, that is alloys. Students, if you have any doubts still in this topic, you can comment in the comment box section, and I will make a video on that, and I will remove that query. So this is all about today's topic. So thank you very much, students. Thank you very much.